Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B and I'm coming back with y'all with them dry ass lips and my P-shaped head. And yeah, for today's look, I won't even be doing no ball cap method, sis, because the wig that I'll be trying today, I need all of that. So the wig that I'm trying is from myfirstwig.com and I absolutely love their wigs. So in my box I got their case, and inside the case there is hairpin. I also got a tail comb and some clips. So that's what in their little packaging. You can get this on their website as well. Now I also got a stocking cap, but of course it's a little bit not my shade, so we're gonna just toss that. And the wig that I will be using is a straight wig, 20 inches, and it has the fake scalp in there, also adjustable strap, comb, all of that. So the wig is already pre-plucked for you. It is bleached. It's the wig is just ready to wear, and that is essentially what my first wig is all about. Wigs for beginners. They do everything for you. So this is how the wig is looking, and I look like that scary girl from those horror movies. I don't watch horror movies, I forgot what it's called, but yeah, like I'm not the biggest fan of long straight black hair because I don't know, sometimes I don't feel like it suits me very well. But sis, I am going to make this wig work for me. Like, I am determined to let it work for me. So this is how natural it's looking. I love that I don't have to do the ball cap method. You guys know I'm lazy as heck. I ain't got all the time in the world to be doing no ball cap method all the time when I apply my wigs. So I probably wear a different wig every single day. So imagine me having to glue and remove wigs all the damn time. So I'm just gonna use my Got To Be glued spray just to hold down the lace. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it to dry, tack down the sides, and that is about it for this wig. So I'm just gonna flat iron it. Later on I'm going to cut the front just to make it frame my face a bit more. As I said, I'm just trying to make this wig work for me, and I'm also using this flyaway tamer to help with the flyaways. Okay guys, now this is my final look and I am absolutely loving this wig. Like, it is so bomb. It is 130% density. It is 20 inches. All the other details that you will need to know will be in the description box below, along with the wig. Well, what did I say? The wig, along with the link to the wig on the website. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, go on ahead and subscribe down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, like the video, and also share it. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. I love you guys so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.